I remember staring at my glass shower doors, scrub brush in hand, nearly crying. I'd spent 2 hours scrubbing, trying 5 different miracle cleaners from the hardware store, yet the cloudy, stubborn hard water stains and soap scum barely budged. Sound familiar? Choosing the right shower door cleaner feels like an endless guessing game of wasted money and ruined weekends. Today, I'm putting an end to that frustration. I've personally tested dozens of popular cleaners to find the absolute best so you don't have to. The number one spot might completely change your cleaning routine forever. Let's dive in. 5. Zep Shower Tub. When I first grabbed this bottle off the shelf, I had high hopes. Zep is known for creating commercial-grade cleaning products, and the packaging makes some pretty bold promises about melting away rust, soap scum, and hard water stains. I took this straight into a bathroom that hadn't seen a deep clean in over a month, hoping the professional-grade reputation would translate into an effortless wipe-down experience for my heavily soiled glass shower doors. The formula itself is acidic, which is theoretically exactly what you need to break down alkaline mineral deposits and hard water spots. When I sprayed it onto the glass, it produced a decent foam that coated the surface fairly well. I let it sit for the recommended 2 to 3 minutes, watching it work its magic. It does actually dissolve lighter surface-level soap scum effectively, and I found it quite useful for the ceramic tiles adjacent to the shower door. The spray nozzle is robust, delivering a wide and consistent pattern that covers large panes of glass without having to pump the trigger 100 times. However, this is where my experience took a sharp downhill turn. The smell of this Zep cleaner is absolutely overpowering and noxious. Within seconds of spraying it in an unclosed shower stall, my eyes were watering, and I was coughing despite having the bathroom exhaust fan running on high. You practically need a respirator to comfortably use this in a small, unventilated bathroom. Furthermore, because of its highly acidic nature, you have to be incredibly careful. If a stray drop lands on your natural stone floor or marble shower threshold, it will etch and ruin the finish almost instantly. 4. Scrubbing Bubbles Mega. I wanted to include this because it's one of the most accessible and widely purchased bathroom cleaners on the market. With its iconic green bottle and promises of expanding foam that does the hard work for you, I was genuinely excited to see how it held up against modern grime. I tested it on a guest bathroom shower door that had a moderate layer of cloudy soap scum buildup from a few weeks of use. The primary selling point of the Mega Shower Foamer is its unique aerosol-like trigger that shoots out a thick, wide layer of active foam. I have to admit, the application process is incredibly satisfying. You pull the trigger, and a massive burst of white foam completely blankets the glass door in seconds. The wide coverage is impressive, and it boasts a dirt-seeking formula designed to lift away grime as the bubbles pop and settle. It also contains disinfecting properties, which is a nice bonus when you're trying to kill germs and bacteria alongside tackling hard water stains. Unfortunately, the reality of the performance didn't quite match the satisfying application. The biggest issue I encountered is that the foam simply does not cling to the glass long enough to break down tough stains. Almost as soon as I sprayed it, the heavy foam began sliding rapidly down the vertical glass, pooling at the bottom of the shower track before it had a chance to penetrate the soap scum. When I went in with my sponge after letting it sit, I realized the foam was mostly for show. I had to scrub vigorously, putting entirely too much strain on my shoulders, just to get the glass relatively clear. 3. Stardrops B08VZCBYSX. If you have spent any time on social media over the last few years, you have undoubtedly seen the hype surrounding the Pink Stuff brand. I was naturally skeptical of a product that went viral online, assuming it was mostly marketing fluff. However, after ordering the 3-pack and putting it to the test on my master bathroom shower doors, I was pleasantly surprised to discover that the internet was actually right about this one. Unlike their famous abrasive paste, this bathroom cleaner is a versatile liquid spray designed specifically to tackle limescale, soap scum, and hard water stains without scratching delicate surfaces. When I applied it to the glass shower door, the liquid had a slightly thicker consistency than typical sprays, allowing it to cling beautifully to the vertical surface. This dwell time is crucial, as it gives the active ingredients a chance to eat away at the cloudy mineral deposits. It is incredibly satisfying to watch the grime slowly start to break down just from the spray alone. The performance here is genuinely impressive for an everyday cleaner. I left it on the glass for about 10 minutes, took a non-scratch scrub sponge, and with just a light circular motion, the soap scum melted away effortlessly. It rinsed off cleanly without leaving any sort of weird, cloudy film behind, revealing crystal clear glass that looked brand new. Furthermore, the scent is absolutely delightful. It has a fresh, fruity, and slightly sweet aroma that leaves the entire bathroom smelling clean and inviting, rather than smelling like a harsh chemical laboratory. I rank this at number 3 because it is a fantastic, reliable workhorse for your weekly cleaning routine. It is totally safe to use on glass tiles and most bathroom fixtures without the fear of etching or damage. 2. Rejuvenate Soap Scum. This product often flies under the radar compared to the massive household name brands, but let me tell you, it is an absolute powerhouse. I bought this specifically to test on a French shower enclosure that had such severe calcium and hard water etching that the glass literally looked frosted. I was looking for a non-abrasive miracle, and Rejuvenate delivered an experience that completely blew my expectations out of the water. What makes this cleaner so special is its specialized formula that is aggressively tough on grime, but incredibly gentle on your fixtures. The directions are staggeringly simple. Spray it on, wait 3 minutes, and rinse it off. I was highly doubtful that a simple spray and rinse would touch the concrete like soap scum on my friend's door. But I sprayed a generous amount, letting the clear liquid coat the worst sections of the glass. The magic of Rejuvenate is that it works on a molecular level, breaking the bond between the soap scum and the glass without requiring you to break a sweat. When the 3 minutes were up, I didn't even use a sponge. I just took the shower head and rinsed the glass with warm water. I was genuinely speechless when a clear, transparent streak appeared right down the middle of the previously opaque door. All of the built-up scum, body oils, and hard water minerals just washed down the drain effortlessly. On top of its incredible cleaning power, it is completely fragrance-free and bleach-free. You don't have to worry about opening windows, holding your breath, or wearing gloves just to get your bathroom looking immaculate. It leaves behind a brilliant, streak-free shine that makes your shower look like a luxury hotel enclosure. 1. Wet and Forget Shower Cleaner. After years of testing countless products, breathing in harsh fumes, and destroying my shoulders with scrubbing pads, this product completely revolutionized my entire approach to bathroom maintenance. This is not just a shower door cleaner. It is a complete lifestyle change for anyone who absolutely despises cleaning their bathroom. I tested this over a period of 4 weeks, and the consistent, stunning results have forever cemented this as my absolute holy grail cleaning product. The true brilliance of Wet and Forget is right there in the name. Instead of waiting for your glass doors to become an opaque, cloudy mess and then spending an hour scrubbing them, this product uses a revolutionary preventative, slow-acting formula. You simply spray down your wet shower doors and walls immediately after you finish taking your last shower of the day. There is no wiping, no scrubbing, and no rinsing required at that moment. You literally just spray it and walk away, letting it work overnight while you sleep to break down daily body oils, soap, scum, and hard water minerals. The next day, you just rinse down the shower before you step in, and that is it. I applied this once a week, and over the course of a month, my glass shower doors not only got progressively cleaner, but they stayed perfectly crystal clear. It prevents the grime from ever building up in the first place. The formula contains no bleach, no ammonia, and no irritating dyes. Instead, it features a highly pleasant, soft vanilla essence mixed with tea tree oil that acts as a natural deodorizer, making your bathroom smell like a high-end spa rather than a sterile clinic.